Hello again, welcome. My name is Pratika. This video is called Preparing for an Evening of Deep Rest. This is an invitation not simply to fall asleep, but to prepare for deep rest itself. Sleep is not something we can force. The more we try to make it happen, the more distant it often becomes. Like a flower opening at dusk, sleep comes naturally when the conditions are right. Perhaps then our evening is not about trying to sleep, but more about quietly preparing for it. Preparing the body, the mind, the nervous system, and the space around us. You could begin by allowing your surroundings to become quieter. Perhaps dim some lights, turn off bright screens an hour or so before bed. The constant stimulation of phones, computers, and televisions encourage the mind to remain active. As the light around us softens, the body begins to remember that it is time to slow down. You could light some incense or diffuse a calming natural fragrance. Perhaps place a few fresh flowers nearby. There is something about simple beauty that gently touches the heart without asking anything of it. Then bring your attention to the body if possible. Eat your evening meal a little earlier, giving digestion time to settle before bed. Reduce stimulants later in the day, such as caffeine or alcohol. Allow the nervous system to unwind naturally. Spend a few minutes stretching gently or simply lying down, feeling the weight of the body supported. Perhaps a slow body scan, some soft somatic breathing, or even a few moments of humming. All can gently reassure the nervous system that in this moment it is safe. Then allow the day itself to come to a quiet end. If the mind is replaying conversations of the day, solving problems, or preparing for tomorrow, there's nothing wrong with this. This is simply what the mind has learnt to do. There is no need to resist this, no need to silence it. Simply notice and gently return to this moment. Tomorrow will arrive in its own time. Tonight, nothing more is needed to be accomplished. You may also awaken the sincerity of silence rather than filling every moment with sound. Allow a few minutes where nothing is added. No music, no conversations, no distractions. Just the quiet presence that has been here all along. And perhaps the greatest invitation of all is to let go of trying to fall asleep. Rest does not depend upon sleep. Even lying peacefully without effort is deeply nourishing. When effort ends, the body knows exactly what to do. Finally, bring a quiet awareness to the breath, not changing it, not controlling it, simply allowing each breath to come and go in its own natural, relaxed rhythm. Beneath the movements of thought, beneath the experiences of each day, there is a quiet, calm presence that has never become restless, a stillness that has never been disturbed. Perhaps then this evening you are not simply preparing for sleep, but remembering that stillness. And from that stillness may sleep come quietly, naturally, without effort. May your evening be relaxed and peaceful. May your body feel nurtured. May your mind become quiet, and may you discover the deep, relaxed rest that has been waiting for you all along. Blessings to you.